In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in NFLShop account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in nflshop.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL Shop. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find this option for my account. Click on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you do not have the account yet, you'll be able to create the account by simply clicking on this option, create account, that you can see on the screen. So if you want to log into your account, all you have to do is enter your credentials, or you can also continue with Google if you want. So simply click on the login method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my credentials. So for doing that, first of all, click on the field of email and enter the email address. Now also enter the password over here. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box, remember me. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. After recovering it, make sure to enter it in the password field. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in NFL Shop account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.